Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I'm going to let our group members introduce themselves to the audience.
Well, I'm Oren Evans from Belfield.
You guys think happy? Just in one line.
Okay. More definitely.
We have to go see.
Alright, introduce yourself.
So I'm Jerry again. I'm Giovanni Harrison. I'm Mr. Visa.
Alright, we're going to start our presentation right now. And our company name is
Computer Pros Limited.
Shop 13 and telephone number.
You can contact us at 962-1040 or 859-1709.
Our email address is computerpro@gmail.com.
That's true. Well, about us now, we are cut above the rest. Our name speaks for itself. There are very confident out there. Any like
This.
So
We are
the one stop shop needs. Okay, I'm sorry.
we are all
Be fulfilled. Alright. This is the place to be if there is a problem. We will solve it. No doubt.
Oh, shit.
We offer installation of workstation, network cabling and setup personal device. We also write, test and program and install software and maintain network security and design and develop software application.
Okay. Sound effect.
We offer our services to school, office, banks, libraries, home, etc.
health and safety policy. Safety is not accident. Every worker has the right to safe work and environment. Every worker is properly trained. Every worker has the right to refuse unsafe work. It is everyone's responsibility to assure that any work undertaken meets minimum safety requirements. There is no work that is worth risking life and limbs.
Okay.
All our employees must fully observe the safety rules, conduct themselves in an orderly manner to the workplace and refrain from any form of display. Use all safety equipment and or protective clothing as provided. Report all accidents or near miss incidents to management whether injury is sustained or not, ensuring appropriate documentation is complete. Example, near miss register first aid accident.
Anyway, you know that I'm Oren Evans. Actually, I'm a hardware technician. So I establish network, including network cabling, installing workstation, and setting up printers and other peripheral devices.
I'm Giovanni Harrison. I'm a programmer. If you wonder what a programmer is a person who writes and programs so that data may be processed by a computer. Like
Design, right.
design,
Test,
write,
document.
test and document computer programs.
Mr. Visa, network administrator. Implement the network, set up and manage user account, install software on the network, backup files, and maintain network security.
again, everyone. I'm Gary Day. I'm the web designer. I'm the person who writes and programs data proceed by a computer.
Process.
Design and develops and organizations internet sites and organization internet website.
Yes. So we try that again. Project manager. This is a key role in both of the ICT department, the ICT consultant organization, managing a team working on specific ICT project. The project manager manages specific ICT projects such as creating new software and developing